Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and in today's video I am going to use a sheet mask. But before that, let me tell you guys, I have already cleansed my face using the Foxtail Daily Do It Hydrating Cleanser, and this one again, as I said, it is from the brand Foxtail and it cleanses deeply, removes all your makeup, and the best part, it is suitable for all skin types. Also, it is very easy to use. You just need to massage one pump into your damp skin and just rinse it off with water, and it really hydrates your skin from within. Additionally, you can also use my coupon code displayed on the screen to get some additional discount, and the link would be in the description box like always. So moving on with the video now, let me start with the sheet mask, and here I'm going to use this sheet mask from the Face Shop. Now apparently I got this from Pantaloons and it retails for ₹100. Do let me know in the comment section below if you are checking any other stores. Maybe if you are getting it for a lesser price, then comment down below. Now let's get started with the video. So I am quickly going to open it. Okay. Oh shit. Okay guys, so I am all set to use this one.
The sheet mask from the Face Shop is from Blueberry and it has the blueberry extract. So basically it is a nature adhesive mask formulated with tree extracts which clings tightly to the skin to infuse it with essence. And all you got to do is it actually creates a firming moisture barrier to revitalize and energize your skin, and also is formulated without the additives like parabens. All you got to do is wash your face, remove the mask from the packet and gently unfold it, which is a crucial part, and then place the mask on the entire face, soothing it to fit the curves and adjusting around the eyes, nose and mouth. You also got to massage it gently and then wait for around 10 to 15 minutes to remove it off to see the results. It has a natural grinding extraction, which is a process where natural plants are ground and blended with a moisturizing water based ingredient to create a natural extract. Now let's wait for some time and then remove it off. Like, we will wait for around 10 to 15 minutes and then remove it off.
And guys, this is how my skin is looking right now. You can see how glowing it is. Like, you know, it is literally glowing, and I do feel refreshed. Like, this is the effect of it. So I would definitely recommend this sheet mask, and if you would like to purchase it, I will also tag the link in the description box below. You can check it out, and it does works very well. You can see in a short span of time it did give a glowing effect to my skin, so I love it. So yes, and this was all for today guys, and if you guys like this video, then do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you stay tuned as and when I upload the videos. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.